One of the easiest ways is you can actually use Gemini to create social media posts that promote affiliate offers. So for example, if we have a look at the AI Money Lab, I've seen a bunch of AI Profit Boardroom members doing this recently, and it works really well. They'll go to a community like mine that's got 32,000 members. And inside there, they'll actually do is create a testimonial with an affiliate link, like basically a review of the AI Profit Boardroom, sharing their experience with the AI Profit Boardroom, but then also making money at the same time with an affiliate link where if they get traffic, then they get a sale and they make money and they actually get recurring commissions. I think if I check the settings here on the affiliate payouts, yeah. So it's a easy way to use Gemini to actually help you. Basically, you can go over to Gemini and get whatever affiliate link you want, an affiliate offer. This could be for the AI Profit Boardroom if you're already a member. Only members get affiliate commissions. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Gemini and say, okay, what I like about the AIPB. And then you just mention, okay, for example, easy to use, fun, great community, good vibes, etc. And we'll just change this to AI Profit Boardroom. And then from here, you can grab the link for the community or whatever affiliate offer you're working for. This will work for anything. You want to go with something that you genuinely care about. Don't just do this for affiliate commissions. Do it because you actually like the product and you want to share that with people. All right. And then say, create a direct response style testimonial that convinces people to sign up using link above. All right. So when people see this post inside the AI Money Lab, or if you tag me on Twitter, then I can repost it. Okay. So here's how it works. Step number one, you find an affiliate offer, e.g. the AI Profit Boardroom. Then you find a community to promote it. Ideally, the warmer the better. For example, Tamara is pretty smart because what she's done is inside this community with over 32,000 members, and use an example prompt like this. All right. And then the other thing you want to do here is actually include some headlines, right? So give me 5 to 10 direct response style short headlines too. You might be asking, why would we use direct response? If you're promoting to a cold audience, then when you're marketing, you want to be a bit more indirect because that's what your audience is going to respond to. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty good. They're much better. All right. And then you post it. So we'll go over to YouTube. We'll find one of our latest videos about the topic. So let's take this one. We're going to grab that transcript, copy that. Then I'm going to go into Google Gemini and we'll say create a blog post. I'm just going to grab some writing guidelines that I like to use. Here we go. So copy that. Then we'll go over to Google Gemini, create a blog post using these guidelines and the video transcript below. Then we're going to hit enter. If you want this prompt, I'll put it inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Just go to the SOPs inside the classroom. So we'll grab that. If we go back to Google Gemini now, you can see that we've basically created a blog post pretty much instantly. And then you just embed the video around here. Let me have a look at this one or this one, right? There's a couple of examples. And we'll scroll down and you see we've embedded the video inside the blog post, right? So we have the introduction, then it's watch the video tutorial below. The good thing about this is a lot of people who read a blog will just skim through it and typically they're going to prefer to watch a video. But then also you've got the content there that's going to help you rank on Google as well, right? So you rank in 2 different ways. It's very easy to repurpose this on multiple different platforms as well. The thing is, right, if you are creating content that basically helps you, you can go to a newsletter section like this and easily create a new newsletter. We got 7,500 subscribers on this one. We've had others that have done really well as well. And then we're just publishing content all the time, as you can see. And the cool thing about that is when you publish a newsletter, the email goes through. So the person subscribes to the newsletter gets an email notification, as well as seeing this on LinkedIn as well. So you can get a lot of reach doing this. We only published this a few hours ago, but we've already had, 143 article reviews. We've sent this to 3,600 people. Pretty easy and simple to create, right? And then also inside the content here, we have the video that generates ads revenue whilst we're doing this. So basically what we're doing is we are creating SEO content using this prompt right here. And then from there, we're sending traffic to our funnels. Then we're repurposing plus publishing across multiple platforms. Bonus tip, publish on a newsletter on LinkedIn. The reason to do that is because you'll get the email sent to equals more reach. 91% of SEO content doesn't get any reach. Nobody ever sees it. If you have a look at this post here, we have a look at the stats. Literally, we just published this a few hours ago, but we've already had 150 views on it. And why is that? It's because we're using LinkedIn newsletters. So if you want to get a lot of reach quickly, this is one of the best ways to do it. And again, you can funnel that traffic to your offer. All right. Now, if we go over to Reddit as well, I'll show you how we're doing this. You can see we have quite a lot of people, something like 25,000 views a month on Reddit. We're just using this process of putting the title, put the video in there, funnel traffic to our YouTube script factory. You can create scripts with Gemini. If we have a look at this one, literally always outperform my human video. This is a human video. It gets like nothing in 43 minutes. Look at that, lower click-through rate. Nobody's interested. Nobody cares. Then I create a video with AI and it gets like 4,000 views in 8 hours, right? And the CTR is twice as high. So how does this work? You can go into Gemini. Let me open up a new chat here. The first step is to ideate, come up with ideas. So I'm going to put this into a step-by-step SOP for you. And we're going to call this YouTube AI avatar video method. It's a bit more complex, but it gets really good results. You want to come up with the idea first. How do you find the idea? You can go into Gemini and you get it to automate this for you. So you can say, okay, give me 5 breaking, you know what people are interested in. Let's say, for example, you wanted to create content around Veo 3. You wanted to automate that video script. How would you do that? You can say, give me a video script about Veo 3.1. In the first 30 seconds, hook people in, direct response style, and that'll begin to give you a little script. Don't include video, visuals, etc. Just literally the script to read out. You might want that to be longer. So you can say, make it 2,000 words. The other thing I would say is you want an iterative process when it comes to prompting, right? So you can see how we started off with this, and then you look at the weak points, you look at what you don't like from the response, and then you go back and forth with it, right? So you can see on the second attempt, we got slightly closer to what we want, and then eventually we start to get something that's actually pretty good, right? So what you can do here is go to a new chat, then create videos with Veo 3, and then you just need to get a photo of yourself. Then we're going to go to Gemini and upload that photo we just took a screenshot of, this one. Inside here, we're going to say, okay, in the described video, we're going to say, man talks about how amazing Veo 3.1 is for video generation. It feels real, right? So we've got that photo right there, and then we can animate it using Veo 3, right? You can create the avatar videos directly inside Gemini, right? You can see these are short videos, typically 30 to 40 seconds long. You could easily create those using Gemini directly here. Flow is basically a video generator. So if we go to Flow, we'll go to new project and select 3.1. Now you can select, if you're generating a short here, you can select portrait mode like that. We can also generate an image. So we've got the image of me there as one of the ingredients. Then we're going to add this ingredient right here. I'm going to say, okay, man walking through a forest. So here we said create a new ad for a baker using this image, and then you can see we've got an image of me. You can see how easy it is to generate AI avatar videos using this process. You can easily add a background. We created the background using the image from Gemini, and then we added the image of me inside that to create it, right? Now, if you want to extend this clip and make it longer, what you can do is click on add to scene. And using Google Flow, you can make the scene longer. You can add an endpoint. You can generate more posts. You can save the frame as an asset and come back to it later. All right. And that's how you can basically generate longer form videos using Google Flow and Google Gemini's technology. You can post them as shorts on YouTube. You could post them on Instagram. You could use it to generate leads as well, e.g. take shorter clips of these videos. For example, if we go up to YouTube here, you can see that we're basically clipping our existing videos and then turn them into like short videos, right? 2 minutes long, 1 minute long, etc. Why would you do it? It's one of the easiest, fastest ways to do this because you're promoting to a warm audience. So you can promote, for example, like the AI Profit Boardroom to audience inside our communities. You post a genuine review, you link to our platform, boom, you get a sale. AI SEO, you can create articles, send traffic to our funnels, and these rank on Google, AI search engines, etc. And you're funneling traffic to your funnels to make money that way. They have this option called build. You can start building stuff out. You can use pre-built templates. For example, you can use AI Studio, and you can basically describe any scene and get a stunning video in seconds. This is an app using Veo 3, and you can build it and code it and then start creating content with it. So if we go to Veo Studio, you can either build your own apps that are going to make money or sell this as a service to other clients, right? And a lot of people want AI app generation. They know it's faster and cheaper than hiring a traditional developer. And there's also a bunch of other apps you can build as well.